How to trim a video in CapCut PC. Here's how. First, open CapCut PC and drag your video onto the timeline. If needed, use the zoom slider at the bottom of the timeline to make editing easier. The first way to trim a video is by moving your mouse to the beginning or end of the clip. When the trim cursor appears, click and drag inward to remove the unwanted part, then release the mouse button. The second method is useful if you want to remove a section from the middle of your video. Move the playhead to the beginning of the part you want to remove, then click the split button or press Ctrl+B on your keyboard. Next, move the playhead to the end of that section and split the clip again. Now, select the middle clip and press Delete on your keyboard. There's also a third method. Instead of splitting twice, right-click on the clip and choose Delete Left or Delete Right, depending on which side you want to remove. You can also press Q on your keyboard to quickly delete everything to the left of the playhead. That's it. You've successfully trimmed a video in CapCut PC. If this tutorial helped you, hit the like button, subscribe for more quick and easy CapCut tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.